Hello guys, welcome to the 34th session of using Microsoft Boot Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to use newsapi.org's API to retrieve news as per user's entity in utterance and create a card. Let us switch to the studio. Here I have already created a new helper class using which we will retrieve data and create a hero card. Here are model classes that require to retrieve data from APIs. I have created it from response generated by this API. Each response contains multiple articles, and each article has a source, author, title, description, URL, image URL, publish date. And here is a method in which I am generating attachment from news article, which includes title, subtitle, image and button. And create a method which takes context, key and an integer value that indicates maximum cards to be displayed in this message. Use makeMessage method to create a new message from context. Change layout to carousel. Generate URL for API and retrieve it using web client, and then deserialize it to news response. After this, we are a loop through and add each attachment to this message. In case of exception, set an error message to text and return this message. This method is same as above one. Just add source name in the parameter and based on this generate URL for API. Again same for this method too. Here I am retrieving news based on the query that user gives. Let us update our LUIS dialog so that it generates a result of this helper. First of all, add this helper namespace and create a static variable that holds API key. In display intent, use getHeadlines method. Pass context, key and number of cards. In sources intent, use getNewsFromSource method. Pass context, key and source name. Same in topical intent. Use getNewsForTopic method. And here pass query that uses enter. Let us save it and run it. Create a new conversation. Let us send display only 10 cards. Here we got hero card containing 10 attachments. Each of them includes an image and link to the page. Let us send display only 2 cards. Here we got only 2 attachments, so it works as per our expectations. And now I am going to retrieve data based on these sources. So write show news from TC. That all news is retrieved from TechCrunch. Let us try query based on topic. So send recent news of Microsoft. Here all news are related to Microsoft. And now send trading of Facebook. It includes all results related to Facebook. Here is a first bot that we have created which performs some real life operations. Let us see what we have learned in this session. Here we have used News API helper and obtained a card from it. We have passed context to static methods of this class, in which we have created a new message from context and we retrieved data from API. And we also created attachments based on the response we got, and we returned it at the end. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.